Listen up, guys. We have 5 oversold stocks to cover today, which I'm going to break down the charts where I'm looking to buy, all that good stuff. But first, do not forget to get up to 30 stocks for Moomoo. Use that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, guys. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And now, cheers, let's get into it and break down these 5 oversold stocks I'm watching heading into this brand new week, which, by the way, guys, these are all for trades right now. They're all actually large cap stocks as well. And Monday, the market is closed. Keep that in mind. We have Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We have Trump coming in office. A lot is going down on Monday. So let's get into it. Shopify is number 1. SHOP is the ticker. This stock is pretty beaten down in the short term, but it's still holding trend. And that's kind of the thing with all these stocks. They're all a bit beaten down in the short term, but for the most part, they're all holding an uptrend, except for one of them. We'll cover that here in a couple of minutes. But yeah, Shopify, guys, looks really good here on the charts. Earnings are coming up, it looks like, on the 11th of February, so pretty soon here, not too long away, far away from where we are now. And if I get this channel tool out, you guys can see we've been in a mini downtrend here since the beginning of December, about a month and a half. We hit about $120, it looks like, early December, and we do have a death cross. We are under both moving averages as of now, but my eyes are peeled on this stock to see when it reverses, guys, because when it reverses, it really reverses, guys, and it moves fast. I'm sure a lot of you know that already at this point, right? So we're getting pretty oversold. We're at the bottom of this, channel right now, pretty much where the trend line is, where we should bounce based on where the trend line is. So I'm waiting to see if we get back over these moving averages, let's say around 105 to 110-ish. If we're able to break out of $110 for sure, I think that would be a spot where I would get in this thing and ride the momentum. I'm going to set my alert at $110 per share right now, and we'll see where it goes. So that is Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. Microsoft is pretty oversold as well, which the chart looks great. I mean, we're about to break out as of now, and we're at the bottom of the channel still. You guys can see if I extend this to the right, there we go. We can see now we're testing the highs from the 6th of January, and we're also testing this 180 SMA. Big resistance here on the 4-hour chart, and again, from about 11 days ago, 10 days ago, whatever that was. So MSFT here, guys, I'm telling you, if it's able to break 435, I'll set my alert there right now, which we did test, I think, earlier in the day on Friday. We got rejected. Let me pull the intraday up and see if that is the case. Yeah, Friday morning, we hit 435 pretty much, clearly got rejected and sold off from there. So I'm looking at MSFT, and I'm like, this is a no-brainer. If this breaks out of 435, I see this thing being a runner, no doubt, to 450, 455, maybe even higher in my opinion. And of course, guys, you got to do your own research. Don't buy, don't trade, don't sell, don't do anything based on this video. You got to make your own, come to your own conclusions, right? And earnings are coming up. Microsoft is on the 29th of January, so less than 2 weeks. It's going to be interesting. And I think it might be a runner even before earnings. I mean, this 435 level is a rock hard, brick wall resistance, whatever you want to call it. And we got to get out of there. We got to break it. And if it does, I think momentum will pile in. So MSFT, I really like the way the chart's setting up right now. And Adobe. Adobe's one that I've been doing a lot of research on for a long-term position. And here it's actually testing a big level of resistance right now, which if it breaks, it can make it a nice opportunity for a trade. We're at 435 right now, or actually 430 on Adobe. 435 is the resistance. We actually held that as support back in early June. We held it as support literally just about a month ago. Then we fell through 435, making it resistance, and now we're testing it. You guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, Adobe is testing this level. So if we break through here, guys, 435, this could be a bit of a runner, especially because it's very oversold. It might run a little bit, man. We also have a bit of a bullish divergence, it looks like here, pointing to maybe more upside in the short term. So yeah, I like the way it's setting up for a trade here as well as a long-term investment on Adobe. I'm liking it here, guys. And the next stock, and actually before we break that down, do not forget to sign up to the email list. Guys, it's free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday, now to over, I think, 2,300 people every Monday, right to your inbox, right to your email. All you guys have to do is use the link down below, put your first name and your email address, and boom, you're locked in. You're in there, baby. You're in there like swimwear, like they say. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. So what's the next stock here? Netflix. Oh, my God. Almost forgot. I was looking on my notes here, and I'm like, wait a second. Where the heck is it? It's Netflix. NFLX is the ticker, and it's down about $100 per share heading into earnings on Tuesday. And I'm not a big earnings guy, earnings trader. I'm not. I'm really not. But I'm looking at this. I'm like, if they crush earnings, we're oversold right now. This could easily be a runner on Tuesday. And I think they're on Tuesday after the bell. So it might get some momentum into earnings on Tuesday during the day, and especially on Wednesday if they crush earnings. But it's a big if. We all know during earnings season, anything could happen. So please keep that in mind. But at this point, man, uptrend's holding on Netflix. It's pretty oversold, down $100 a share. Let's see if we get a nice rebound. It's already potentially putting in a bottom here. I mean, the stock's slowly been climbing the last couple of days. You guys see it on the 5-day. You guys see it on the 30-day. Let's see if we get the full-on breakout. I'm thinking if we take out, 875, that was support a couple weeks ago. Now it's resistance. If we're able to get out of here, guys, that's where momentum, technically speaking, could start to pick up. So that's Netflix. I'm waiting for that break. I'll set my alert now at 875. I'm not in this stock or any of these stocks right now for that matter, guys, but I'm eyeing them up again for this upcoming week, which the market is closed on Monday. Keep that in mind. So that was Netflix. And last but not least, I appreciate you guys if you stuck till the end. If you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're so close to 50,000 subs here on the main channel. And my second channel, at Stas Talks Money, or my name, Stas Surfes, it's linked down below. We're almost at 1,000 subs. Make sure you guys check it out. It's actually a personal finance channel, completely different from this, but it's more of an entertainment, value-oriented type channel. Well, this one is as well, but maybe not as much entertainment as that one. But check it out if you guys want to. Stas Talks Money, linked down below. CRM is another one that I'm watching very closely. Large cap company, of course. I think this one's due for a rally. We've been downtrending over the last 2 months from 378 down to about 324. We're at the bottom of this channel now. You guys can see if I get the circle tool out, potentially putting in a bottom there, right? I mean, you can see we've held this over the last couple of months, for many, many months at this point. So I'm waiting for the break. My alert's set at 340, locked and loaded, right by the moving averages here, guys. If we're able to really get out of there, start breaking out of there, in my opinion, I think we can make a move back towards 360, 370, maybe even higher. Simple as that, man. A lot of these, like I said, they're all just beaten up in the short term, beaten up a bit. But the uptrend, except for Adobe, the uptrend and all the other ones, though, they're continuing, right? So patience. It all comes down to patience, waiting for the confirmation. And, we'll do more updates here on the channel, guys. So make sure to subscribe. And before you click off the video, get up to 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. Forgot about it for a second. I was like, wait, 15, 25. It's 25 more stocks, guys. That's 30 free stocks. It's insane. This is the best promo Moomoo has ever offered. I mean, really, at this point. And your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So if you want free stocks, you want to help out the channel as well, it is an affiliate link, guys. Full disclosure, use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.